Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll be explaining on how you can change your address with Truist Bank safely. So the first thing that you will have to do is you will go ahead and log into your account. Make sure to enter your correct username and then your password and then click login or sign in. And once you sign in, you should see the settings feature or option here. So you have to make sure that you have the full version of the website or the app so that you will be able to see it. And once you see your settings or whatever the terminology for that, you will just have to click it and then you will see personal information and then you will click edit address and then you will enter your new address and click confirm. Then Truist will update your account records and send confirmation via email or app notification, and make sure that all future statements and correspondence are delivered to your new address. And that's it. Your address has been updated with Truist Bank, and please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.